Have you ever looked up at Mars and wondered what it would look like as a world of oceans, not deserts? Billions of years ago, Mars was a water world, with rivers, deltas, and perhaps even a vast, northern ocean. Robotic explorers have revealed dried riverbeds and minerals that could only have formed in water, evidence of a lost blue Mars. Imagine if we could restore that ocean, transforming the red planet into a swirl of blue, white, and orange. Telescopes would reveal coastlines and archipelagos, not just craters and canyons. The idea of a blue Mars changes our perception, from a barren rock to a place that could feel almost like home. But how did Mars lose its water? And could it ever be blue again? Let's explore what a reborn Martian ocean would mean for the planet, and for us. An ocean on Mars would ignite a new climate system. Water vapor, a powerful greenhouse gas, would warm the planet, making days milder and nights less frigid. Clouds would form, casting shadows and bringing rain and snow to the Martian landscape. The water cycle would reshape the land, waves eroding craters, rivers carving new paths, and deltas forming at the ocean's edge. Sea breezes would sweep across coastlines, and storms, perhaps even Martian hurricanes, would churn over the northern seas. The red desert would break into patches of damp soil, and the planet would feel alive, its weather dynamic and unpredictable. Mars would become a world of seasons, rain, and sun, a living planet, not a static relic. The geography would be rewritten by water's persistent touch. Mars would no longer be a museum of the past, but a world in motion. Its new blue heart would transform everything. Water means possibility, especially for life. A Martian ocean could shelter microbes from radiation, just as Earth's seas protect life. For humans, a blue Mars would be a game changer. Water for drinking, farming, and breathable air, all from the ocean. Settlements could rise along the coast with domes overlooking alien waves instead of bunkers buried in dust. Industries might flourish: fishing, aquaculture, mineral extraction, all powered by the ocean. The psychological boost would be immense: open horizons, sunsets over water, a sense of home. Mars would shift from survival to sustainable growth. The ocean would be a scientific treasure, letting us study climate, geology, and the potential for life. Exploring its depths could reveal new chemistries and perhaps even Martian life. A blue Mars would be a place to live, learn, and dream. It would redefine what it means to call another world home. Mars lost its ocean because it lost its protective magnetic field. Without it, the solar wind stripped away the atmosphere, and water vanished into space. Simply adding water isn't enough. Without a thick atmosphere and protection, any new ocean would disappear too. Restoring Mars would require planetary engineering on a massive scale, thickening the air, shielding it from the sun, perhaps even building an artificial magnetosphere. This is far beyond our current technology, but the dream inspires us to push boundaries. The vision of a blue Mars drives science, engineering, and imagination. It reminds us how precious our own blue planet is. As we explore, we carry the hope that one day, we might watch the sun rise over Martian seas. The dream of a blue Mars is a dream of rebirth, for Mars and for us.